how to withdraw money from Safepal to Apple Pay. You want to load up the Safepal app, and here, in order to do this, you will need to go into bank, and you need to open up a Swiss bank account here and get a debit card. Now you can get either a MasterCard debit card from Safepal or a Visa debit card. So you just gotta go through the prompts here from the bank section and get your Visa or MasterCard debit card. Now, the next step will be, after receiving your debit card, you want to go into Apple Wallet, and here we will just add the card. So click on the plus sign in the top right, and then we will choose debit or credit card. Scroll all the way down to this list if you get a list like this, and then choose add a different card. Now click on continue. It is going to let you either scan the card or enter the card details manually. You can fill out the name on your Safepal card, the card number, then you will click on next, follow the prompts, and once you have it connected, you can withdraw your money from Safepal into your Apple Pay. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.